between prescription and purpose, she fell deeply in love with life itself, and that became tourism visionary, from transforming his 172-year-old Shimla cottage into a boutique hotel to pioneering in modern. Big round of applause for Shwamar Bami! Kerala in his DNA, Boston and Rome in his pride, inventor, proud nerd, global shuttler, forever tinkering, forever connecting, rooted in Dehradun, wired to the dance as her eternal companions. Cooking and Ayurveda are her gifts of nurture.